Hello. Today I'm going to do my unboxing of Boxycharm, a little different. Usually I just film me opening it up without talking. So if you like that better, you could just let me know and I'll do that one instead. But I wanted to try something different. So let's get into it. I do like Boxycharm because they give you mostly full-size products, but it comes really late in the month, so that's kind of a downside. And I think it's because they use FedEx Smart Post, which is really slow. So the first thing I got is from IBY Beauty, and I'm guessing it's a lip liner. Let's see. Yeah, lip liner. And it says it retails for $14. So that's what it looks like. It's really smooth. Okay, the next thing we have, it's all nice and bubble wrapped. I think this is the Butter London nail polish set. I think almost everybody got. I'm not sure. It's a really pretty color. It's called Ruby Murray. Focus. And it's not on here. I think they might have given me this instead of shimmer bronzer because I don't think I have that. Okay. Well, these are pretty expensive, so I'm not sure. I'll put how much they are right here. This is full size also. And the next thing, Black Lash Primer, Jet Black Volume Blinc by Blinc. It comes in this cool little metal tube. It's just like a eyelash primer right before you put your mascara on. I don't want to open it yet because I have a lot of eyelash primers. Let's see, this one is it retails for $26. It builds volume and will have your mascara looking the blackest of blacks. So that's interesting. I have white eyelash primers, so that's cool. And this OFFRA in Napa Valley. I'm not secure enough to wear this color, but it retails for $19.90. It's a long-lasting liquid lipstick in a one-step full lip color that does not feather. I'm not going to swatch this because I'll probably give it away. I'm not going to use it. But it is pretty. And I think this is the last one, which is a full-size palette. And it's from Pure Cosmetics. It's the Buff collection, and I'm sure everybody knows it looks exactly like the Naked 3, which I just got a few months ago. And it's really difficult to open. Okay. Wow. Yeah, it's like almost identical. and it says it retails for $50. I think the Naked palettes are $54. Let me see. Yeah, so the Naked palettes are $54. So they're only $4 more. So here's the Naked 3. And let's compare it to this. Wow, yeah, it looks almost identical. But I don't know. Let's see. So this is Mojave from the Pure, and this is Buzz from Urban Decay. They look pretty similar. Let's see how the dark one from the Pure looks like. That's from the Pure palette. And this is from the Urban Decay palette. So yeah, the Urban Decay is a little bit more pigmented. Urban Decay Pure palette. So I think I would pay, even though I got my Naked 3 from Glambot for a discount because it was used. I think I would probably pay more for the Urban Decay one. This one, it's pretty, but it doesn't have that much, and it's really hard to open. It doesn't, the shimmers are nice, but the darker colors don't really have that much pigmentation. I mean, for the price, I would, $4 more, I would get the Naked 3. If this was like 20 bucks, then, or even 30, I would probably get this instead of the Naked 3. But for $4 extra, you know. So that's my unboxing, and if you liked me going over these, or over these, talking through the video and stuff, just let me know and I could do them more often instead of just the music with me opening it up. Also, so I got, it says the eyeshadow palette, and then it says Model Co Shimmering Bronzer, which I didn't get. So I wonder if they gave me this instead. Yeah, OFFRA, and then the Blinc, and then the IBY Beauty. So yeah, weird. But thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please thumbs it up. And I'll see you in the next one.